Pools and spas offer the ultimate in relaxation and recreation with family and friends. Owning a pool and spa can enhance quality of life. Whether it's the aesthetics, recreation, relaxation, or togetherness that a pool and spa brings, owning a pool is sure to bring years of enjoyment. And comfort is key with swimming pools and spas, so it's important that the water is always the right temperature. We all know that nothing is more relaxing than soothing tired muscles and unwinding in perfectly heated water. And the key to achieving the ideal temperature for a pool or spa is getting the right heater. But there are many factors to consider when selecting a heating solution. Limited equipment pad space, challenging installation conditions, complex controls, and the high cost of heating makes some pool and spa heaters too complicated and time-consuming to install, as well as expensive to use. Now there's a solution that takes the worry out of heating your pool or spa for ultimate relaxation and enjoyment. Introducing the new Jandy Pro Series JXi gas heater, designed to be an ultra-compact, lightweight, easy to install, easy to use, and highly energy-efficient heating solution. The JXi boasts a compact 2-foot by 2-foot footprint for small space requirements and weighs less than 126 pounds, making it easier to move when the heater is being installed. JXi makes installation easier. Its 3-port header design provides maximum plumbing flexibility, so you can replace most leading heaters without making any plumbing adjustments. Sidewall ventilation features optimum installation versatility. And a 180-degree rotatable top means you never need to rotate headers. JXi is easy to control with a user-friendly digital interface that lets users effortlessly adjust temperatures and run diagnostics. For extra convenience, the JXi is automation-ready with its RS-485 interface, so it can be controlled by any Aqualink system with ease. Add iAqualink for heating control even on the go. Using the free iAqualink app, homeowners can control their pool and spa anytime, anywhere from their smartphone or other web-connected device. And iAqualink allows the pool pro to monitor and diagnose many issues remotely without having to go on site. JXi's exceptional 83% efficiency surpasses strict DOE thermal efficiency requirements, which is thanks to the innovative coiled copper fin heat exchanger design and upgraded single stainless steel center burner that allows for more efficient heat transfer. Get 50% more hydraulic efficiency by combining the JXi with the highly innovative Versa Plumb system, providing the most energy-efficient usage with the smallest footprint, while also saving on plumbing costs and installation time. Ultra-compact, lightweight design, easy to install and service, simple to control, energy efficient. JXi is the total package for the builder, service pro, and pool owner. Jandy Pro Series heaters have been trusted by leading pool builders worldwide for more than 20 years, so you can trust the performance and reliability of a new JXi gas heater. Contact your local Zodiac sales representative for more information about the Jandy Pro Series JXi gas heater and other Zodiac brand products.